Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today we're sort of shifting. We're going away from projects and we're going to do a product review this morning. Now, are you someone who sometimes kind of forgets where you put things? Yes, you see my GoPro? Yes, you see my drone? Yes, have you seen my eyeglasses?
Oh my God.
Well, if any of these scenarios seem vaguely familiar to you, I think today's episode might be for you, especially if you are a drone enthusiast. If you're someone who is looking for something for organization, I think you might find today's episode interesting. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, whether you're a professional or you are a hobbyist, organization is the key to a lot of the things that you do in either one of those categories. Because if you have a lot of small pieces, say like you're a photographer and you have lenses and you have batteries and you have cameras, it's nice to have all these things in one place. Well, we employ the drone here from time to time on My PI Dream. By using the drone, we're able to present another dimension of some of our video coverage on some of our projects here. Now, the drone comes with lots of pieces. You have a controller, you have the drone, you have batteries, you have accessories, and sometimes those things get misplaced in different areas, like with any other type of a hobby or professional job that you have lots of pieces of equipment that you need to carry with you. Now, today what I'm doing is a product review on something that will take all those bits and pieces of my drone, the batteries, the drone itself, the propellers, all the accessories, and put them in one place so that I don't have to look for different things all over the house. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by looking at what my current configuration is for my drone hardware. I have the controller. This is the new the RC Pro, the DJI RC Pro controller. I bought this separately from the drone. The actual case you see right here was my first attempt at organization for the drone, and it worked out pretty good until we got the RC Pro controller over here. Now, what you're going to see, that the bag that I originally purchased, it houses my drone, 2 batteries, some propellers back here, some cabling, and this is the original. This is the original controller that requires a separate type of a device, like a smart phone or a tablet for you to be able to use and to fly your drone. I just found that this was just kind of inconvenient. You have to put everything, you have to do assembly, which is one of the reasons that I went with the RC Pro. But today we're not talking about the RC Pro. That will be saved for another episode. But I do really like the RC Pro. But I have some dilemma here, and the dilemma is this will not fit anymore inside the same area as this. As you can see, both of these controllers are 2 totally different sizes, and it will not accommodate the additional controller. So I'm always leaving this somewhere else from this area right here, and I'm always saying, oh, where is the controller? I know where this is. This is pretty organized, but I wanted something where I have everything in one place. So what I want to do is I want to talk about a new product that I just picked up, and I haven't even opened up the box. Let's see how all of this fits in the new organizer. Now, inside this box right here is a organizer or a case that's a little bit bigger than this. You notice this is all soft shell. This is actually more of a hard shell type of a case on the inside. I haven't even opened it, and this is just from the description I remember from the online purchase. And it is supposed to handle everything inside here, plus several more batteries, plus this controller right here, plus any more other accessories. I actually picked up a lanyard right here that will help me with the RC Pro, and I'm hoping everything will fit inside here. So let's go ahead and do a box opening. This is the Lykus Titan MA230. Now it comes, the Titan series comes in different models that will accommodate different drones. So this drone right here, which is the Air 2S, the DJI Air 2S, it is supposed to fit inside this box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, from first opening and a glance at this, it sort of looks like the old Pelican style cases. Pelican style cases are hardened cases. Normally when I would deploy, or if I would go to a client site, I would carry a lot of my computer hardware in something that was protected in a hardened case. It's also good if you're sending it on an airplane and it's being trashed around with some of the cargo underneath the airplane. Normally your sensitive items won't get damaged. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. And of course it says this is the Lykus Titan MA230 hard case with the DJI Air 2S, which is already talked, and most importantly the RC Pro. That was the main reason we purchased this. So you can see from inside, I'm sure this is where my drone is going to go right here. I'm sure this is going to be where the RC Pro controller is going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries, 5 batteries right here, and some other little slots inside here for some accessories, maybe the propellers. And this right here I think will be for something that I don't even carry inside here, because it's a pain, because when you pull this out, normally there's a little spot down here for your charger. But the thing is, I put other things inside, some additional cables normally, like my SD card reader, and it normally won't fit inside there along with the power supply. So let's go ahead and transfer some of the stuff from here over to this box right here and see how everything fits. Now, wait, I just read in the manual, sometimes it helps to read the manual, that there is actually room for the old controller. It fits underneath the new RC Pro. So let's go ahead and put this down here. You take the little handles off and it stores on the old RC Pro itself. And then let's go ahead and put that back in. Well, something I forgot to put inside. This is the lanyard, the old lanyard for the old controller. For the new RC Pro, it has a different type of a lanyard. So I can still even put that in there, and it still fits. So it looks like I need to get some more batteries. Anyway, I think this is going to work out really well. Also, reading the manual, I found out what this is for. This is actually if you have like ND filters that go on the front of the drone over the camera, you can put the filters inside here as well. So anyway, lots of room, still space left over if I need to put any other additional little item, but I don't really think there's much more that I need for this system. So this is ready to rock and roll. If I want to go and do some droning, there you go. Everything is inside one place inside here. Okay, well that's about it for today's episode, doing the product review of the Lykus Titan MA230 drone organizer. I got to tell you, I really like this product. I tried to find some faults because we try to do the good, bad, and the ugly like it shows in the intro, but I really couldn't find anything bad about this product. I think it's going to be a welcome addition to our organization of our drone parts here for My PI Dream. Well, that's about it. Again, 2 thumbs up for this product. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it. And if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time from right here, in the very beautiful and with lots of dogs Philippines. You have a wonderful and blessed day. Ness, have you seen my new drone case that I have my drone and all the accessories in? If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.